Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make your computer to work faster without restarting it. So without restarting it saves you time when your laptop becomes heavy, works slowly. So to make your laptop works faster you need to end background applications or your browsers. So now I closed all my browsers, Chrome, Firefox and Opera, but might still some running because I still hear the noise of my laptop. So what you do, you need to come here with your cursor and right click, go to Task Manager. Go to Task Manager. So here you see there are no running apps, but actually is running apps. You need to click on more details. Here more details. And here you see this is Task Manager is okay, but some applications still running. You see the CPU and memory, which one is occupied. So we just go to see. You can see, so you see here Google Chrome is running, and this makes your laptop heavy and slower. So you need to right click and end task of each of them. You can do this quickly and then you can start using your laptop. End task, can click, right click to end task, or you can just click and end task here. End task, Chrome end task, end task. There's lots of Chrome. Even I shut the browsers, but still Chrome running background applications. Still running. Makes the laptop perform slower. And we need to close this lots of browsers. So if you restart, still some of them might running. Grove Music, also Grove Music, and background process, and can see and here what is causing the software video editing Sony Vegas Pro. Even I shut Sony Vegas properly about an hour ago, but still is running. You can see it takes CPU and memory a lot. So we need again how many Sony Vegas you opened previously. You need to end task by right click. This is antivirus. We leave it. Internet security. So any program you open, you can check, you know yourself. You can end the task. And now I hear there is no noise, no noisy laptop. is silent and much better. And task. That's it. This is how to make your laptop works faster. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.